Set for a pheasant hunt and duck hunt. Go outside of this pond, see what happens. The other ones went down a bit further up, eh? Hopefully that looked alright. I could see when I fired it, they just took off. One of the pellets must have touched it because all the pellets were about that far behind it.
On the water?
Just as he took off it?
Yeah. I give him a nudge and I gave the other one a nudge too. Yeah, and the other one wobbled a couple of times.
Yeah, the other one's down further up here.
Yeah, he went down. I just grabbed the bullet off you. Yeah, I fired 3 shots. I gave him one, he tumbled nice. At the same time as you give him one, I'd say. Get him, Kennels.
Fetch him. Get in there.
Haul him out, Kennels.
Get in there. Fetch him. Fetch him. Fetch him.
Yeah, no. The other one. I couldn't see them. I had to make the dash. They flew when I was just behind that tree. I was ducking into that hollow to sneak in. And they went.
Fetch him. Fetch him. Fetch him.
And they went in.
Get in there.
They went in and I was like, oh crap. So I made the dash and then stopped.
Got a khaki Campbell in it, eh? Got the red, white neck.
Got a few pellet oaks in the head. It's banded. Get him, Kennels. Get him, Kennels.
Fetch him.
Good boy.
Oh, what a good dog.
Good boy, he says, you fall into the edge, I'll fetch him. Good boy, Kennels.
Fetch him here. Fetch him here.
Good boy,
Fetch him here.
They've still got a bit of wiggle under me, Kennels.
Good boy.
Give me that.
On Billy.
You mean the Billy Bee?
Yeah. Maybe scare a donkey off that.
Okay.
Scare a donkey off. Dead old ink or something. Oh.
Just the one?
Yeah.
Told you this in here. It's stuck down here.
No pun intended.
Stuck down here too. Maybe not.
It's not all of them there. Still alive.
Little Finos in there, eh? Was it him that squawked again?
Yeah. Something walked in there, didn't it, Kennels?
Good, shotgun.
Just told him. Out here duck shooting, there's deer standing there.
Yeah.
Deers.
Quails. Get one?
I thought they were quail.
Hold it.
Fetch him.
Hold it.
It's a quail. Fetch him.
Let's put it out.
Kennels. Sure did.
What's that?
Sure did. Good boy. Richie. Ah, come here. Bit of a mouthful, wasn't it, Kennels? Down it. Drop it. Drop it. Pretty wee birds, aren't they? Get out of it.